Have you ever dreamt of turning your desires into reality? There's an ancient visualization method that holds the key to manifesting anything you desire. Keep watching and you'll find out how to turn your manifestation into reality. Visualization is often oversimplified as fixating solely on the end goal, creating a narrow perspective on its true potential. It's crucial to dispel this misconception and embrace a more comprehensive approach. Instead of exclusively concentrating on the end result, consider visualizing various components of life. This involves acknowledging the interconnectedness of goals, relationships, personal growth, and well-being. By broadening the scope of visualization, you create a richer tapestry of aspirations, allowing for a more holistic manifestation of desired outcomes. This approach helps you recognize that life is not a linear path with a singular destination, but a dynamic journey with multifaceted elements. It's about understanding that success isn't confined to a specific endpoint, but encompasses the continuous evolution of various life facets. To harness the true power of visualization, it's essential to center yourself, letting go of preconceived notions or rigid scripts. The first step involves conscious breathing, a simple yet potent practice. By focusing on your breath, you create a space for clarity and detachment, breaking free from the constraints of a predetermined narrative. Moving beyond breathing, the second step is realizing the witness within you. This means acknowledging a part of yourself that observes without judgment, allowing for a more objective perspective. By accessing this witness, you detach from personal biases and open the door to genuine self-awareness. The third step is self-realization, where you connect with the most sacred source of life. It's about recognizing your inherent worth and tapping into the universal energy that permeates everything. This connection serves as the foundation for effective visualization, aligning your intentions with a higher purpose. Visualizing your goals goes beyond a mere wishful snapshot. It's about adopting a strategic and impactful approach. Picture the goal not just as an endpoint, but as a journey, beginning with the end in mind. This means envisioning the entire process leading to the achievement, creating a mental roadmap for success. Timing matters in goal visualization. The optimal moment is right before bedtime, when the mind is transitioning to a more receptive state. This facilitates a deeper connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, enhancing the imprint of your visualized goals. Consider the power of short, frequent bursts of vivid visualization. Instead of sporadic, prolonged sessions, engage in regular, focused moments throughout the day. This approach maintains a consistent resonance with your goals, reinforcing the connection between your aspirations and your daily mindset. Success is not just about reaching the finish line, but understanding and embracing the steps that lead you there. Visualizing the process alongside the goal is a key aspect often overlooked. Clearly defining the path to your goal provides a roadmap, guiding your actions with purpose and intention. The clarity of your goal dictates the focus of your visualization. If the endpoint is clear, focus on the details of the journey. If the goal is more ambiguous, concentrate on the feeling and essence of the desired outcome. This distinction ensures that your visualization aligns with the specific nature of your goal, optimizing its effectiveness. Balancing the visualization of both the goal and the process is crucial for optimal results. While picturing the end result is motivating, understanding and visualizing the necessary steps fosters a practical mindset. This dual focus cultivates a holistic approach to goal achievement, acknowledging that success is not just about the destination, but the journey itself. To fully integrate the power of visualization into your life, it's essential to extend the practice beyond isolated moments. Infusing your daily tasks with process visualization transforms routine actions into meaningful steps toward your goals. Consider weaving process visualization into your everyday activities. Rather than compartmentalizing it into specific sessions, make it a seamless part of your ongoing narrative. This entails focusing on micro outcomes and immediate inputs, aligning each action with the overall process leading to your desired outcomes. Understanding the law of consciousness is pivotal in manifesting results. By consistently visualizing the process throughout the day, you elevate your awareness and intentionality. This heightened consciousness acts as a catalyst, bringing your goals into sharper focus and aligning your actions with the energy required for manifestation. The visualization process is akin to an artist crafting a masterpiece or a musician composing a symphony. It involves envisioning yourself actively engaged in the creation of something significant. This act of mental creation goes beyond merely picturing the end result. It delves into the immersive experience of the creative journey. Heart and mind coherence form the foundation of effective visualization. As you visualize, focus on the feeling of excellence and pride in the creative process. This emotional connection serves as the fuel that propels your intentions into the realm of manifestation. It's not just about seeing, it's about feeling the joy, satisfaction, and accomplishment as if your goals are already unfolding. Creativity, in this context, is tapping into the universal creative energy that permeates the cosmos. By aligning your visualization with this expansive force, you enhance your ability to manifest desired outcomes. It's not a passive act, but an active participation in the co-creation of your reality, where your thoughts and emotions collaborate to bring your visions to life. The culmination of the visualization journey lies not only in achieving results, but in ensuring their permanence. After visualizing the process, it's imperative to anchor the outcomes securely to avoid fleeting or inconsistent manifestations. This requires a conscious effort to solidify your connection with the envisioned reality. Understanding how to visualize the ideal self is a pivotal aspect of sustaining success. It goes beyond picturing external achievements and involves adopting the identity and qualities of the person capable of attaining and maintaining those results. This shift in focus from outcomes to identity reinforces the notion that lasting success is rooted in becoming the person you aspire to be. The crux of lasting change lies in a profound shift in one's identity. It's not just about achieving external milestones, it's about becoming the person who effortlessly embodies the characteristics required for attaining and maintaining the desired goals. This shift is especially vital in areas such as weight loss or business success, where internal transformation precedes external changes. Consider instances where individuals experience a significant weight loss. The enduring shift occurs not only in shedding pounds, but in adopting a new self-image and lifestyle. Similarly, successful entrepreneurs don't just attain business triumphs, they embody the mindset and behaviors of accomplished business leaders. Shifting your identity involves recognizing the aspects of yourself that align with your aspirations. Identify as the person you aspire to be, eliminating self-sabotage tendencies and reinforcing positive traits. This conscious choice to align your self-perception with your goals is the linchpin for lasting change. Implementing a morning routine centered around visualization sets the tone for the day and reinforces the shift towards your ideal self. Begin by mentally projecting yourself into the characteristics and actions of this envisioned identity before stepping into the demands of the day. Picture yourself confidently embracing the qualities associated with your ideal self, whether it's decisiveness, resilience, or creativity. This morning visualization serves as a mental rehearsal, preparing you to embody these traits throughout the day's challenges and opportunities. By consistently aligning yourself with the ideal self each morning, you create a transformative impact on your mindset and behavior. This intentional practice not only enhances your self-perception, but also influences how others perceive and interact with you. It's a daily commitment to living in alignment with your aspirations. Amid the focus on visualization and aligned action, the transformative power of gratitude remains an often overlooked aspect of the manifestation process. Expressing gratitude creates a positive, energetic shift, aligning your mindset with abundance and attracting more of what you appreciate. Begin by acknowledging the progress and achievements, no matter how small. Gratitude for the journey, the lessons learned, and the resilience developed enhances the vibrational frequency of your goals. This positive energy acts as a magnet, drawing in more opportunities and experiences aligned with your aspirations. Incorporate a gratitude practice into your daily routine. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you are thankful for, including the steps taken toward your goals. This practice not only fosters a sense of fulfillment, but also reinforces the belief that your envisioned outcomes are not only possible, but actively unfolding. Gratitude serves as a powerful amplifier for manifestation, creating an environment of positivity and receptivity. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude alongside visualization and aligned action, you enrich the manifestation process, propelling you towards the realization of your deepest desires. While visualization is a potent force, its true efficacy is realized when coupled with aligned action. Aligned action involves taking deliberate steps toward your goals from the mindset of your ideal self. It's not merely about dreaming, it's about executing with purpose and congruence. A common misconception is that mindset and action are separate entities. However, success arises from the seamless integration of both. Your ideal self's mindset should guide your actions, ensuring they align harmoniously with your envisioned reality. This synergy is the catalyst for effective manifestation. Clarifying this synergy dispels the notion that mindset and action operate independently. To manifest your goals, execute on what is known while maintaining alignment with your ideal self. This doesn't imply waiting for perfect conditions, but rather taking intentional steps from where you are, fueled by the belief that your envisioned outcomes are within reach. As you embark on the journey of bringing your aspirations into reality through visualization and aligned action, it's crucial to understand the ripple effect that occurs beyond your immediate goals. The energy you invest in manifesting your desires extends far beyond the individual outcomes, creating a positive impact in various aspects of your life. Consider how the confidence gained from achieving one goal spills over into other areas. Success begets success, and the mindset cultivated through the manifestation process becomes a driving force for tackling new challenges. The momentum generated by each achievement propels you toward a more empowered and fulfilling life overall. Furthermore, the positivity and determination emanating from your manifestation journey influence those around you. Your transformed mindset and actions serve as an inspiration for others, creating a ripple effect in your personal and professional circles. This shared energy contributes to a collective atmosphere of growth and achievement. If you're still watching, I'd like to thank you for your attention. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please consider clicking the subscribe button. Your support is very appreciated. Feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more insightful content.